Hey guys, we're going to make Wilton Pie today, which a lot of people in Britain had to make during the Second World War because of food shortages.
This is Woolton Pie, or Lord Woolton Pie. Lord Woolton, the Earl of Woolton, was appointed by Neville Chamberlain as the Minister of Food in Britain in April 1940. And Woolton Pie is named after him because of the rationing and stuff. There were a lot of ingredients you could not longer get. So what you got is vegetable-based pies that people weren't particularly fond of, but this is what you might get. This recipe is from the Times, right? This is, I think this is one from the...
It's the other one.
It's the other one? Okay, well, we'll write it down in the description.
What you need to make Wilton Pie is, first of all, a lot of vegetables. So here we got the cauliflower, we got the carrots, we got the parsnip, spring onion and potatoes. So cut them up, put them in a big pot and start cooking. I might need to tell you that I have no real cooking experience whatsoever. Okay, do you reckon this is half a kilo? I should have waited before I started cutting. You have to, shave this? We should start a new show though. Cooking with Joram. And I make these horrible recipes that I cook like this. People are going to hate me for this. I'm always literally butchering this parsnip. No, this is not wartime saving at all, no. Make sure you keep your cutting plate clean at all times. I'm already sounding like Jamie Oliver. I have no clue whatsoever how to cut a cauliflower. This is probably not how you would cut a cauliflower, is it? Okay, so you want to save some potatoes, 150 grams. The exact ingredients are in the description. And you want to peel them and cook them because you're going to mash these. Please in. Yeah. So we cut up all the vegetables and we put them in this big pot and you wait for it to cook. And when it's cooking, you add oatmeal and you add Marmite. Meanwhile, we can already make the pastry dough. We need to add 230 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 80 grams of butter or margarine. Gotta keep Indy happy, right? He likes a good Wilton Pie. He has Wilton Pie almost every day for breakfast. I suppose many of you didn't know that. Ask him, it's true. Okay, now we have to add some Marmite to the stuff. You need to add some oatmeal as well. Okay, so once you're done mashing, give it a good massage. Okay, now that we cooked all the vegetables and we made all the dough, it's time to put them together. So you're going to take your veggies and grab a nice deep oven thingy. Now we are going to put the dough on top of it. That's nice. It looked way better in the recipe picture, but you get the idea. Okay, now you take this, you put it in the oven on 200 degrees for 30 minutes. No, wait. Okay. Look at this. The Wilton Pie. There you go. What, looks terrible? It looks terrible.
Okay, Wilton Pie. Okay.